about the topic of masculinity, one can't help but feel a deep sense of empathy and curiosity. Masculinity, it turns out, is not just about being matigas or malakas. It's about understanding that this notion, or kuro-kuro kung tawagin, ay maging parte ng ating society, shaping how men perceive themselves and how they interact with the world. When we talk about traditional masculinity, there's an inherent pressure it places on men to be the provider, tagabigay, to suppress emotions, to always appear invincible. But beneath this facade, maraming kalalakihan ang nakaka-experience ng anxiety at stress, struggling to live up to these often unattainable ideas. What's fascinating is how these roles are learned. Ang mga lalaki na inilalayo nila ang sarili nila sa alam nilang pangbabae, often missing out on developing empathy and emotional expression. This dissociation, reinforced by media and societal expectations, leads to a kind of loneliness and lack of genuine connection. The concept of hegemonic masculinity takes this a step further, showing some forms of masculinity dominate others, reinforcing power structures that marginalize hindi lang ang mga babae, pati na rin ang mga lalaki who don't fit the ideal mold. This hierarchy ang nagpapalawak ng masamang pag-uugali, from aggression to sexism and homophobia. Yet, there's hope in recognizing that masculinity is not fixed. It's fluid, evolving with each generation and cultural context. The push for gender equality must include men, encouraging them to break free from these limiting stereotypes and embrace a more inclusive and empathetic form of masculinity. In essence, redefining what it means to be a man can lead to healthier, more fulfilling lives for men and create a more equitable society for everyone. This reflection isn't just about understanding masculinity, but remaining in a way that benefits all. Kung pagbabasihan ang aking mga nalaman, it becomes clear that the journey towards redefining masculinity is as much about self-discovery and growth as it is about societal change. By encouraging men to express vulnerability, seek help when needed, and challenge harmful stereotypes, we can move towards a future where masculinity is not a burden but a shared, positive experience. That is all. Thank you.